Hello, welcome to the hour 123. Studying Excel, Power BI, and that stuff. Actually, I can say that maybe I was focused into Power Pivot, Power BI, and Power Query a lot of this time. Maybe 50% of the time, I spent it studying that stuff's power. So why? I don't know. Maybe because actually, it's the most newest thing that I am learning. Basically, I am learning because I have never worked with that stuffs. Doesn't mean that I never use them. And actually, it's the first time that I am involve myself in this language, in these tools. But it's really nice because this means that I can or I am able to learn. And my purpose for record myself into YouTube is that I want to have the commitment to 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 make these stuffs. I don't know, do it doing this for myself without recording. I don't know if that is possible. My commitment is not really hard or really huge. Sometimes I feel like I don't want anything like today. You spend a lot of time doing a lot of things not important things. But I am here. I already recovered 1 hour. I still have 3 hour of delay. 1 hour. I hope that recover that delays and just have one since today. So basically, that is. There are a lot of new things for me from Power BI and Power Query, but I think the most important of them is how to use Power BI, how to create measure is the most important thing that I really learned. And in my daily routine, I am using or trying to use everything that I am learned from here. I know that that stuff takes time, but it is important to invest time when you want to get results or positive results. So that's it. I'm really glad for that. And today I will share these stuffs with you and let's do it. Okay, here is it. And first, okay, there is something that I want to try to because some minutes ago or some hours ago I was trying to get data from Excel file, but that was possible because right now I have some mistakes. So most important, okay, I will stop to say and most important because everything is important. But actually, if you can see, my Excel file is uploading now. But meanwhile, we are waiting. You can see that we have one, two, three, four tables with blue color in the top, and we have one, two, three, and four, five without color, and we have two of them with color, but in the middle. Okay, which one we should use? Work with. We should work with this one. This means that these tables are tables in the Excel files. So have table formats. This means that we can upload it to Power BI and this could work. What why we don't use the others? Because the others were are the worksheets of the file, and the other thing could be just a um, brief stuff or brief. Um, the others are just brief. I don't know, just brief summaries or something like that. That is why we can't use them, or we shouldn't use them. Just let me charge my phone. Okay, okay, it's already. Okay, how can I know that my data is already uploaded into Power BI? So as you can see, we have three icons here. This one is report view, this one is table view, and this one is model view. So if you can make here in the table view, you can see your table. So actually, I am over details one and can make click on orders in products, in succursales, or in branch. As you can see that I can see the data from there. Let's see. I need to open my Excel file because I need to to read or to understand the instructions from there. Okay. Here are the original data that we are using in our model now. Or the thing that I want to try. The first one of them is okay, import through to Power BI editor of queries, import or upload the data from an Excel file to Power BI. That's already done. We already done this one. And the other one is make relationships in Power BI. So and identify the difference between Power Pivot. So as you can see, or as I mentioned before, in this model view, I can see, or you can see the table that you already have in Power BI, and you can see that with or support by AI, Power BI try to create or the connection are already created automatically automatically by Power BI. Why? Because Power BI try to help us in a better way, and sometimes it could be work, but you need to understand your data and you need to check if the relationship is was created or not in a good way. As you can see here, the relationship was created in product, but in my opinion, this is not correct because products have some duplicated information. So the most efficiently field could be key. So I changed it, as you can see. I already changed them, and that's it. So the other thing to understand here is that Power BI create relationship automatically. That's one difference with Power Pivot because in Power Pivot you need to create relationship manually, but here Power BI helps you a lot. So maybe sometimes this option doesn't work well, but when that happen, we need to create manually. So that is not impossible, and create relationship is not really complicated. So I already create that one, and I already create the other one, and that's it. Second point is already okay. Power query. Clean the data or fix the data, fix the table of header and the dates that can be read in an easier way. And then calculate the tip for order in general currency. So this means that okay, there is important thing to understand too. I don't know how can I explain this, but sometimes we have data with header that works at header, and we have data that works as details. How that works? How does that work? So in that some case, we have here the tables here from, for example, details, and we have orders here. Here, for example, if I apply a filter, I can see and filter just the order number one. You can see that I have a detail of here and the other one. Okay, the other one was composed with uh, American coffee and a lot of stuff. And what happened with the other one? This means that the table of details is a detail table. So the other one we can put a make filter here and we can filter just the one. As you can see that we have just one here. You can see that we have order one and we don't have details anymore. So this means that this table is the header and this table is the details. So we can work in this way. We can create relationship. That could be possible, but one of the most important things to understand is that when we have this type of data, we can merge this information or these tables to create a bigger table that allow to us to create relationship in a easiest way. So after that brief comment, I will remove the filter for each one. And we are able to make that through Power Query. Ready. Okay. I already done this one. So I was saying that I need to create relationships. So go to home in detail, transform data, and Power Query is integrated in Power Pivot, so we can open it. And oh my goodness, something is wrong. Ah, I'm not sure if. Okay, I will try it. But there are mistakes here. Why? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Mm, I will try it. So click Merge Queries, then select Orders, and I think by order is oh oh my goodness. Why this stuff is happen now? I can't understand why. Why? But why? What is the problem? Ah, I don't know what's happened, but I think that I still have problems from here. Okay, I will close this stuff. This means that I can don't save it. I will delete this stuff. Ah, maybe because I am working here or why? This is like my backup, and I will create this one. I don't know what is currently happening. Ah, there is not connection. So okay, I will. I don't know if it's for this or not. Oh, oh my goodness, something is wrong. Oh, it's searching now. So it's already created. We were here. I don't move anything. Just going to here. Um, home transform data. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, technically there is not mistake. There aren't mistakes. So why I can say that because here in the previous file that I opened, I had some red signals from here, but actually is in I don't know blue, something like that. And so actually I gone to merge queries. Okay, okay, and then which one with orders? I'm not pretty sure. Yeah, I need to select this one, then orders, then by ordering. Yeah, it's work. It works. It works. So actually, I make click here, and as you can see, it's already created merged queries. This means that my merge is already done, and as you can see, I can see a little weight here, little arrows from right and left, and make click over, and I have two options: expand or aggregate. In my opinion, or in my case, I will choose expand. I this unselect order because actually I have order here, and I unselect use the original column name because a prefix as prefix because I don't want it. So after that, I will going to make okay, and then I will change the name details, and so in that case, I will make click there. After this, I will apply, close and apply. So why is this? Why this process is important? Because with this, yeah, as you can see, with this process, I am able to have, I have a bigger table now than the previous one, and I can be more efficient with my work now. So actually, I can go to here and I will delete this relation. No, sorry, I will keep that relation, but I will delete this one relationship in this one. I will not use or anymore because this table by itself is not working for me anymore. So I will hide to my reports. Why? Because I don't want to see anymore this table. So I will separate it, and then in products, I think that I can move this one over and this one over below. Sorry. And so which other thing that I can do? So I can do this. Actually, I think that the most important thing to have here is that we need to change the products and use key. So it's ready created. So sucursales, I'm pretty sure that there is something called sucursales. Okay, relation is already created. With this, we are able to create our information now. So as you can see, I already merged the information. I combine details with orders, and this is the result. And actually, it's done. So after that, the other stuff is calculate the tips by order in pesos or in general currency. So as you can see, in our opinion, the most important thing is to understand that here in details and order, this will be our main data. So here age or measure and everything that we can do. So new column. So let's just multiply by propina. So it's done. This could be general currency. That's already okay. I will go in for some water in a few minutes. Okay, this could be okay. Oh my goodness. I don't like this. Oh my goodness. I don't like it. Um, okay, other thing that I want to add is product. So I can come here. Okay, no problem. No, it's not from here. Where is? Okay, it's in general. It's padding. Yeah. No, it's not. I don't know where is it. So I'm pretty sure that there is. I don't remember where, but I will find it. My goodness. Okay, that's it. I think that there is a place where, honestly, I don't. Let's see. No, it's not one. Mm-hmm. This is the title. It's here. Ready. Done it. So that's it. The other one. So here I need to create something like this one from here. So that's it. Okay, I need to change something. This doesn't make sense, as you can see. Mauricio is the guy who say less than everybody. Okay, that's it. Other one. Okay, I think that we can make something like this here. So maybe I need to create a column. Oh my goodness. Ah. s- okay, okay. Okay, that's it. Here. So that's it. I need to go home. This is the moment that when I noticed that everything was okay, that I really take advantage from my time because I can understand way well how this measure works and what is the purpose of any formulas on that is really nice for me, of course. So I can change this one. So basically, we have data here, and this is really nice. That's it. Says of previous month. Oh, mistake. Okay. Ah, again. So with this is not the end, but I already created my own exercise without any support of the videos. So this feel like really good because I am learning. It is an evidence that I am learning, and this is really good because as you can see, we can make a lot of stuff with this. For example, in July, Mauricio is not working yet. Okay, you see Mauricio start to send a lot, but it is down. Okay, but thank you for staying here and see you tomorrow.